Okay, so you're new here and you want to get started. Great, 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 great. You're a newbie. Listen, I remember those days being new. It was, I didn't want to tell you how bad it was for me. I did not have support. I did not have anybody that understood me. No one spoke the language that I could understand. It was kind of miserable. And so I created a community right now, our Letter to the Friendly Trader, so you would not have to go through what I went through, learning how to trade and being lonely, blowing accounts, all that kind of stuff. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars gone down the drain. I don't want that for anyone. So I have come on this platform to help you and teach you how to trade at absolutely no cost. So this is what you do first. Now, first, even if you're thinking about becoming a dripper and you want to become a dripper, you've heard about the drippers and all that, you can't just become a dripper right off the bat. You have to do a couple of things first. Number one, I teach every Monday, 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. on TikTok and YouTube. I go live teaching how to day trade. Absolutely, cost you nothing. Bring a pad, pen, and you're on your way, okay? Now, what I want you to do is when you go to that training, take very good notes. And then once that training is over, I would like for you to go to my YouTube page, right? Go to YouTube. On my YouTube page, I have all of the links. There's a playlist that says 5% Drippers. I want you to start from the bottom and work your way up. That's number 2. Once you do that, you should be ready to go. You should be ready to paper trade. I want you to paper trade 5 days. Now, once you paper trade those 5 days, each day you need to send the results to me. I don't care if you're plus, minus, it doesn't matter. Make sure you send the results to me via the email that is attached below. Once you've done that, completed your 5 days, you then will have a chance to become a dripper if it's your choice. Now, you don't have to do that. You can go on about your merry way, and that is fine because my job will have been done. But if you know that you need additional help and you would like to go on a journey with the drippers, and you understand what mentorship is about, you understand what coaching is about, and you want to keep going with us, you're more than welcome to, but you do have to get an invite, all right? So is that not clear? If it's not clear enough to you, please reach out. Like I said, my email is attached below, and I look forward to seeing you on this journey.